Good morning from the middle of Nowheresville Forest in North Georgia. Where I am, I don't know. How I got here, still not sure. But there's a town nearby, and by nearby, it's an hour away, called Hiawassee, Georgia. And I've heard it's a tourist trap, and I'm a big fan of tourist traps. You know, especially the cool ones. So we're gonna go check that out today. I'm excited. Hey, Wyatt, do you want to go exploring? All right. Yes, he does. On the table. All right, let's go exploring. Wait, but first, coffee. All right, now let's go. Come on, little buddy, let's go. Good boy, good boy. Such a good boy. So if you saw last week's episode, you know that I'm here by accident and by poor planning and just not being smart. I thought I was in Blue Ridge. I was not in Blue Ridge. I'm almost 2 hours away from Blue Ridge. And that was my whole game plan, was to explore Blue Ridge. But here we are. We make the most of it. At least I got to camp by a river. It's gorgeous. So I haven't had internet 5 miles back into these woods. So I will show you here a list of things that I know about the town of Hiawassee. But that is sort of the fun part of going to explore a new town that you don't know anything about. Right, buddy? He feels me. Okay, we have officially made it to Hiawassee. That was one of the most stunning drives. It was so beautiful driving through the mountains. Took a little bit longer than expected because of construction, but still, I can only imagine what that looks like in the fall. That has to be incredible. So now, I don't know what to do. So I'm at a gas station. So I'm gonna get gas. First things first. Things that I want to do, find out about the place. I want to maybe find some hikes, or a hike, whatever. I want to get some food. I haven't eaten yet. Whether that's breakfast or lunch. It's about 10 o'clock now. I don't care. I'm indifferent for either one. And maybe take some photos. I don't know. I'm just happy to be here. I'm just happy for that drive. That was so great. Okay, here's what I've discovered. Chatuge Lake is the main place, I guess the main touristy place. It's really popular. It's supposed to be really beautiful. So we're going to go hike the Chatuge Lake loop, which is a 2-mile loop around the lake, around part of the lake. But before we do that, we're going to go get a fun perspective of the lake and the area. There's a place called Bell Mountain or Bell Knob, which is supposed to be a spicy drive up to it. So we're gonna take the spicy drive up to Bell Knob, Bell Mountain Knob, something about a knob and something about a bell. Dirty, it sounds dirty. But anyway, it's supposed to be a great perspective. So we're gonna go check that out. Wish us luck. I think Vanlife can do it, right? Vanlife can do it. It's got good brakes. It's got good tires. What do you think, buddy? He doesn't care. He just wants to go do anything. All right, Bell Knob next. Say that was a steep incline is the understatement of the year. That's the steepest thing I've ever gone up. It was only 1.5 miles, but it was straight up. I've been through all kinds of mountains before. I've been in Colorado. I've been through all kinds of stuff. That was the steepest grade. I'm worried about the drive down. Worried about brakes and the drive down. I'm sure it'll be fine. Right, buddy? I'm sure it'll be fine. So now we have, I think, 0.2 miles to hike to the top of it. But it's supposed to be great views. Let's go see. I'm bringing out the big camera. Let's go see. Let's go get some views. All right, buddy, you ready? Let's go climb a mountain. I can just smell poor Vandolph's transmission. He handled it like a pro, though. Man. I can just tell, if you look out there, it's just mountains. Oh, it's so pretty. So you can actually drive further, but from what I read, I shouldn't drive further. So we're just gonna hike it. So you can just see how I'm walking. It is straight uphill. Steep grades, baby. What's disappointing is all the graffiti. Oh, and that, hey buddy, it's just graffiti on all the rocks, trees. Why do people do that? Oh, the views are starting to pop. Look way out there. That's the lake. Look at all this graffiti. Look at all that. I mean, look at all that graffiti. You can climb some stairs. Come on. Come on, dude. Let's climb some stairs. Just these beautiful mountains in every direction. Wow. Wow, what a place. What a start to this trip. Whoa, buddy. All right, we'll go this way. Look at this place. Hiawassee. Bird. You're such a good dude. You're being such a good boy. Don't quote me on this, but it looks like that's what's called Bell Creek, and over there is Lake Chatuge, which is where we're headed next. But it's very cool to get this perspective of it first. Wow. And just the clouds. It's just... man, pretty. Okay, this is worth the drive. All right, Hiawassee. I see you. Very glad we did that. Disappointed with all the graffiti. But what a cool perspective of the town of Hiawassee and the lake that we're about to hike next. Now, this is a little bit of anxiety about the drive down. It's only 2 miles, it's only 2 miles, it's only 2 miles. It's 2 miles straight down a mountain though. I'm happy with Vandolph's brakes. We have cross-drilled and slotted rotors to keep them cool. I'm gonna put it in second gear. We got this. Vandolph's got this. I just was like pedal to the metal on the way up. I shouldn't have gotten gas. I think that just weighed me down. Anyway, wish us luck. Saying Chatuge lake. I'm not sure if that's accurate. Chatuge? Maybe it's Chatuge. Anyway, there it is. That's the lake we saw from Bell Mountain. And now we're here at the bottom. Chatuge? Chatuge? Should look that one up. Anyway, this 2-mile loop around the lake. Working up an appetite. I'm starving. Feels like it's gonna be a heavy lunch. I saw a barbecue joint on the way here. Looked good. Gotta see if we can find something Wyatt friendly. Just really enjoying my day here in Hiawassee, Georgia. Didn't expect this much. It's fun. Weather's nice. It's 65, cloudy. It's supposed to rain the next 2 days, but we're out here today, baby. Good boy. You did a good job. That was a fun hike. Easy, 2 miles. But just cool to see the perspective of the lake here and then the lake way up there. Now I gotta get some food. I'm starving. I might need a beer. I'm so hungry. Okay, buddy. I found our lunch place. Where's the dog-friendly part? Anywhere in here? Oh, awesome. Oh, this is Wyatt.
Hi.
He always has to say hi. Oh, just for me, right?
Yes. What do you usually like to drink?
Depends on my mood. But right now, that breakfast stuff sounds good. Anything you make here?
Anything with a hash down we make here. So we make like we have a Hiawassee night stout that we make here.
I'll try that.
You want to do that?
Yeah, I'll try that.
Do you want to taste it first, or do you
Nope.
just want to go for a glass?
I'm a big commit guy.
Okay, perfect.
Yep. Cheers. Street corn. Yum. Look at that. Second course better than the first. This place is starting to pop too.
You finished with this, dear?
Yes. We have grilled onions, we have pickles, we have bacon jam, some sort of fancy cheese on a custom-made burger that they make here in house. Oh yeah. Buddy, do you want some hamburger? That was an elite cheeseburger and just an elite experience. The beers were good, the fries were outstanding. A cheeseburger. Hiawassee Brewing Company. If you're ever here, go there. It's very, very, very good. All right, buddy, you want to get back to camp? Want to go chill out? It's been a long day. We climbed a mountain. Buddy, you made it back to camp. As much as he loves adventuring and exploring and climbing mountains, there's one thing that he loves more. Is this what you've been waiting for? This? Well, that's going to do it for us. I appreciate you guys hanging along with us for our day adventure into Hiawassee. What an awesome place. Right, buddy? We're just going to chill at camp for the night, cook something up, play with the ball. As always, please be kind to each other and keep exploring life with an open mind. We'll see you on the next one.
I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. My friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, and you can keep your 9 to 5. Happy with the simple life. Yeah, I ain't here to try to change your mind. I'm trying to save you time in case you're thinking about breaking out the bucket list. Girl, you can skip this funny business, 'cause up there it's complicated and overrated. Down here everything is understated. That's alright by me. I got everything that